Hi, I'm April with Bags by April, and today we're gonna make purse straps. So, like, see this purse here? I'm gonna show you how I make these straps. So first, I've already cut the fabric. The straps from end to end are 26 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. The fabric that I'm going to use for the lining or interfacing or stabilizer, whatever you want to call it, is 24 inches long by 3 inches wide. And you say, well, why is it 24 inches long instead of 26? Because that was an accident one time, and I've just done it that way since. So first, let me get this out of the way. I have this fabric here is just, I use various things depending, I use scrap fabric for the stabilizer. Right now this is just, it's an old sheet. So here we go, we'll start with the first one. I place the first strip like this, and then the second strip there, so that, and then this one right here in the middle, fold in half, get my iron. Don't burn your fingers. Then open it back up. Fold over. That's about 1/2 inch. It varies. I just try to make them both the same. Then flip. Iron again. This isn't working as well as I'd like here at the table, but it's, and then fold in half. So that everything's nice and tight. And boom. This one is ready to be sewn. So now we'll prep the next strap. Again, the first part of the stabilizer goes like this, and the second part's like that, and the third, like I said, this was an accident because I was cutting the stabilizer 26 inches, the same length as the strap, but then I had the accident and cut them too short and decided to use it anyway. And then so I discovered that since it wasn't as thick right here on the ends, it was easier sewing through all those various labels or layers when I attach this, do the top stitching. Once this strap is attached to the purse. So we're doing the same thing. Folded it in half and ironed, and then iron down one side, flip it over, iron down the other. That, meet the two edges, and boom, there we go, it's done. Set my iron to the side, set my makeshift ironing board to the side. And as you can see, here's two already finished and sewn straps. They also have the 3 pieces of sheeting on in each strap. So now we come over here. Oh, the table's wet from all the steam. And we're just going to run it through the machine. No pins. I don't like to pin. I don't like to pin at all. But I've made so many straps that I rarely have a problem. This isn't ironed as well as the ones I usually do. You see that seam there? That's where I pieced fabric together. So there's one strap is finished. These straps are 24 inches long, and if they're placed in the bag like this, then you have about an 11-inch drop. Now, when I make a crossbody bag, of course, it's one long strap. And on the crossbody bag, I sew down the other side. I mean, there's no reason to sew down the other side. That's just how I do it on the crossbody straps. So these straps are done. Pretty fast. Nothing, and then I'll show you what it will look like. This is the bag that the straps are going to go to, and voila. So to complete this, I would just finish the inside of the bag, which I don't have those pieces here. Sew that up, sew the sides together, attach the straps, do the flip, and boom, the bag's done. So next week I'll have a video of an order of fabric that I received, and thank you very much. I don't know what else to say.